Nakajingmi ki jingkeno badon ki mafia ki bapanyat yakakam ti Dewïong Beaiñ nakalyang ba prestun tensong usembut menteri rangba kajala ubadai kmi yakatanat kampo yeng ulaong. Bakani kakam kadai kabajeliu bah namar banadu balakhang ka NGT lakta omtang yaki badok Hynrei yaki Riewspah ru kumju. Habakran sikilat pathai kubor hakan no pai sngi jonga khatlai tarik urumpang araja arpun riu uba prestun tensong ulaong bakajing beteng ka kamti Dewïong Beaiñ omdei ban kenot Tang yo Riewspah Hynrei ya Baroh Kiba don Bynta hakan ka kam ulaong ban nadu baka NGT ka khang ya ka kamti bat khayi Dewïong ka sarkar jala kala batha ya ki bor penyat district bakin te lakam kamtam East Giant Hills district hadien ka jingja bathai bom dynamite hakram Dewïong Beaiñ ka bala shim ya ka jingem jong ki lai pholai ngot ki briu.
See, I don't say whether mafia or not mafia, but let me tell you one thing. As I've said to you, this issue is very deep. The moment the NGT stop the mining activities because of certain provision of Central Act is not followed, I think you knew well that 2014 onwards, this really affected the economy. It really affected the livelihood of our citizens in the state, and especially in those areas where we call it coal belt. It happened. So see what happened when this this ban is affected. It does not affect only for the poor people. It affected even the rich people. So it affected to everybody, to every citizens of the state. So therefore, why now illegal coal mining happens? So I don't blame only the rich people, but everybody seems to be involved in these activities, maybe for the question of survival. So this is what's happening. But as I said to you, let me again reiterate today that government is all out to make sure the closure happens, no matter how far or how near that illegal mines located. And our replies what? Simply that our replies, yes, we have already instructed the district administration to please make sure that illegal coal mining be stopped at any level. So that was the decision we taken. That was the order we issued to all the district administration. But when you come back to this very, I should say, the saddest and unfortunate incident that has happened, as I said to you, we need to come out heavily. Now or no more. We need to come out and we have to really react very, very heavily on this incident, what has happened. Because see, more or less, when the arrest made, the issue is what? The issue is ultimately said, we were compelled to, because of livelihood. You have what? But again, when you say livelihood, from where did you get so many laborers from different parts of our country? So therefore, as I said to you, right now our point is very clear. We will not allow illegal activities to happen in the state, but it has happened, as I said to you, and now the response also is very, very strongly responded by the government, and we are going to really make sure that this incident that has happened should not reoccur. Yeah, as IT is different from the ambit of this commission, but of course this commission, I think the order is about to come out very, very soon, maybe tonight or maybe lately tomorrow. Okay, that because we have already decided that the judicial inquiry commission has to be put up to go all the details of this illegal activities that has happened, and also the unfortunate incident that has happened and not less than 33 people lost their life. By and large, the commission has to be headed by the retired judge, and then another 2 members. So let us wait when the notification comes out, then you will be able to see exactly the members of this commission. SIT has been constituted by the PHQ under the direction of DGP. So now the SIT has started its duties. So let us wait till the report is submitted. From the district administration is Chatty Hills, be it the deputy commissioner and be it the SP, they are all out to close down such illegal coal mining that has happened and which is also happening till today. And we have already strongly directed both the DC and the SP to make sure that these illegal activities again should not reoccur. That's what we have made quite a number of arrests. So now the investigation is on. We have taken all issues into consideration. Who supplied the illegal explosion again? Because see, there are rules, there are regulations where you need to procure and you can procure these explosives. So all these angles has been also taken into consideration. And as I said to you, the investigation is on, and very soon we will come out, and especially the SIT has just started the job, so let us wait till then we'll be able to know exactly. So right now, these 3 or 4 of them, which is more or less ready, they have just started installation of the machinery, so on and so forth. But again, as I said to you, this illegal rat hole mining still taking place. So time and again, as I said to you, throughout the state, the decision taken by the government right from 2014 till today, we keep telling, we keep directing the respective deputy commissioner, district commissioner, to make sure that illegal rat hole mining should stop. Until this moment also, we did that. But now what happened, that incident that has happened recently, again, we have specifically directed the district administration of East Chatty Hills to go all out and make sure that the closure happen wherever it is located.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.